Wakey, wakey.
Reppin' 82, I'm in Salt City.
Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out aespas. We're gonna check out aespas. Like, there's some track videos that came out as well, especially the music video that came out, Welcome to My World, featuring Navis. Am I pronouncing that right? Guys, if you saw the beginning of the video, please follow my Instagram or my TikTok for those weird skits that come up in my mind and I have to produce it in my editing format. I literally became butt booty naked just for that skit. But thank you for showing some love. Please do like it and comment on it if you haven't already on my Instagram. But yeah, we have don't start. Unhappy track video. We also have salty and sweet track video. I know there's more track videos coming out, which I love that they do these things. When you give us more content, more music videos, and more visuals to like the music that you came out with. I always enjoy that. What are you doing? Like this video, and you better share it with your grandma. Hi grandma, how you doing? And be sure to comment your bias in the comments down below. Alright, without further ado, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, welcome to my world. I literally just woke up, y'all. I literally woke up and thought aespa. I would have reacted to this earlier when it first came out, but I had my smoke detector beeping. Still haven't fixed it. Not sure how to fix it. I mean, it usually means that they have to change the battery, but I don't even have a lighter, so I'm waiting for maintenance. But enough of my personal problems. Let's go dive into aespa, Welcome to My World, featuring Navis. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh. I know nothing about the concept yet at all, so I've never seen any of the teasers. Ooh, this skin is glowing. Ooh, that beginning was haunting, but cool. Haunting in a good way. Ooh, guitar. Here's the invitation, come to me. Oh, is that LA or Korea? Does this remind me of what does this remind me of? This reminds me of something. Hold up. It reminds me of Arcane. Thinking about that, it was more of like it just triggered a memory from this show. Not really comparing it at all, but it triggered good memories of watching that show. Anyways, back to aespa. Ooh, I like how she comes in there though. Oh, they're speeding it up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, the Funyuns though. Wow, it's been a minute since I had Funyuns. Actually, my roommates have been using it. Oh, where are they going? Road trip with the girlies? I don't know what came to my mind, but when she was like stretching, I was like, ooh, those shorts must be so fire to wear. Like, I do like a good track shorts, especially like when I'm in the house and just like don't want to be in my underwear or naked. I'm sorry, this is random thoughts. Whoa, what was that something there? Oh, was it like this part? Oh, this is like sunlight, right? That's nothing, right? Oh, what is that? Am I tripping? I'm probably tripping. So epic. I feel like this sounds like it would be a part of our Arcane track though. Like, series. It's so dope. It's so like grandiose, like the beginning of a. I mean, it's Welcome to My World. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Get it, yeah. Ooh. Wait, you know where? Did they perform this? Did they perform this song at their Korean show? Like when they were, they're touring, right? They're touring. They did a show in Korea and they showed some like songs. They performed some songs. Was this one of them? Is this why I know this song? Oh, where I heard the song from? Ooh, that shot's beautiful. Oh, it is. I'm not tripping. I'm okay. Okay, thank God. Thank God. Bro, I thought it was just me. I'm like, man, I shouldn't be reacting when I just wake up because I be seeing things. But I'm glad I saw it. It's real. I'm glad it's real. That was. Woo. To my world. Oh, that da 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 hits. Oh, it's Novice? Novice. Ooh, let's go, Lore. Oh, no SM jump scare? Whoa, literally took me to your world for real though. I feel like while I was Twitch streaming, which you guys should follow, I think one of my viewers on there showed me a good amount of their tour on Korea, like some like fan cam stuff, and I was like, ooh, this sounds fire. I think that's where I heard this. Welcome to my world. I think. I could be wrong. But let's check out I'm Unhappy track video right now while we're here. Oh, where are you running from? What in the... This is White Day? The horror game? You guys know what I'm talking about? What's beeping? Not my smoke detector, hopefully. Continue. What in the survival horror game? The ending? When you die? Oh shit. What? It just turned to Five Nights at Freddy? I saw the balloons like it's a pizza party. Ooh. I like the playful beat a lot. So it's like a prom party? School party? Everybody on their phone. You the only one locked out. You in the real world. Oh, blue or red pill. Oh. Aw. It's unhappy. They're busy decorating their features for the show. Yo, you know what? Social media can do that to you. Real talk. Kind of messes with your mental. Become like pretty unhappy. Been there, done that. Relatable. Me too. That's why I go out, touch grass. Oh. Me either. Ooh, it's so trippy. Woo! Ooh, what in the production? Even the music video production too. It's so like eerie. I love it. Ooh. Especially me playing, I like to play like survival horror games. And this gives me that type of vibe. Ooh. It's just a track video. Oh, I can't wait to hear the full song. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if I did hear the whole song. Oh, My World, the mini album. Oh, that's right. It's coming out soon, no? May 8th, May 8th. Oh, that's, yeah, it's coming up. It's coming up. Alright, so we're gonna end this video on salty and sweet. Guys, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Share it with your grandma too. But aespa, salty and sweet. From a track that sounds salty and sweet, I kind of like salty and sweet too. You know, you ever put like chocolate with your popcorn, or like a salty like almond covered in dark chocolate? I like that type of ish. So hopefully it gives me that type of flavor in my ear. Excuse me? What is that? Ooh, oh, what's that? A dragonfly? What is that? A cricket? A wasp? Ooh. Oh, whoa. Oh. Quick. Hoo-nana. We love a good hoo-nana. Ooh, soaking in what? One drop? I'm done. Oh, I think I seen this on the fan cam too, in one of their tours, the Korea tour or show. But it's so good to see like a music video visual to it. Hey. Ooh, add them nanas, always do. Ooh, that's a very retro drum beat. Like 90s feel. What is that? Gelatin? Don't tell me that's it. I don't know how I feel about track videos now. They're so short. I feel like they should be like 2 minutes at least. Put a comments down below what you guys think of aespa's whatever we checked out here. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more track videos. I'll probably check out those track videos on Twitch, which you guys should be following. I do upload some Twitch streams here on YouTube, as you've seen in the past. Be sure to follow, subscribe to my Twitch as well. It's a way to support me. And aespa, I can't wait to hear like the full tracks actually of this whole mini album. This mini album like cover itself looks so fire. Like I feel like a lot of their like cover like art direction in aespa's like interesting. It's like art that I would love to display as well. Alright y'all, this was aespa. This is your boy JRE from JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. You have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.